In this video, I'll guide you through how to post Instagram story from PC and laptop. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and like this video. When you open an Instagram account on a computer, then you will find this kind of interface. But when you click on this create button, then only three options will appear here. You can submit a post, live video or ad using your computer. But there is no add story option. To find the add story option, you need to right click on your computer and then click on inspect. Then this kind of page will appear on your screen. Then you must need to select this console icon and then tap on dimension and choose your suitable smartphone. Then you will find a mobile phone type interface. Now click on this home icon and find for add story option. But if you didn't find it, then refresh this page and click on add story option. Now choose the photos and videos which you want to add on your story and click on open. Now click on add to your story. By following this easy tutorial, you can easily post Instagram story from PC and laptop.